for an angle like that. I mean, look at that angle. This is the first flight I don't want to end. This is so fun. I'm going to enjoy the rest of my afternoon tea now with a little bit less cool of an angle.
What am I going to do in here? I'm going to get you a new one. I'm going to do this again. Yes, that is psychotic. Okay.
I was sort of just aggressively dipping the bread into the jam, and that's not right.
What you will do, the bottom and the top, you prise it open, so you've got two halves. Cream on the bottom of both halves, and dollop of jam on both halves.
Alright, let's see if I can redeem tea time.
I thought you would have gone top and bottom, but it's okay, side by side. It's an American spin on the classic, I suppose.
I was supposed to slice it the other way.
Tea time was everything I could have dreamed of and more. I still have these $20 in my pocket, and now that we've arrived, I think I know exactly who I'm giving it to.